Ready to supercharge your resume and gain invaluable industry experience? This is your complete guide to applying for the prestigious Infosys Instep Internship. First off, let's talk eligibility. While specific requirements may vary depending on your region and the internship you're after, generally, you'll need to be a university student at accredited schools in your program. Usually in your final year of study, check the Instep website to confirm eligibility. Your location now. Let's dive into how to apply. Head to the official Infosys Instep website. Next, you'll typically find the Apply Now button. Click on it, which leads you to the registration application portal. You may need to first register an account, providing your name, email, university details, contact information. Now, complete application form with all the accurate details is the crucial part. Input your academic information. Be meticulous with your GPA, major, and any relevant coursework. Upload a polished resume and a compelling cover letter. Tailor both to the specific internship you're applying for, highlighting your skills and experiences relevant to the role. Don't forget to use keywords related to the internship. Review your application carefully. Double-check everything before submitting. Click the Submit button. After submission, you'll hopefully receive an email indicating successful submission. Regarding selection criteria, Instep looks for strong academic records, technical skills, and a proven passion for the field. Prepare for a rigorous selection process that may include online assessments and interviews. The Instep internship is an invaluable opportunity. Good luck. Your future starts now.